know what this is. Yeah, but it feel like it's real, baby. I don't wanna pretend, no. I just wanna come clear, wanna see you again.
There's nothing like chilling with my girls. Just me and my divas taking over the world.
Hey, what's up? It's your girl A, and we about to slay. Listen, you guys, listen to me, okay? Now, y'all know how much I love saving the best for last. Like, it's always save the best for last with me, because listen, when you're doing like multiple things, you always got to save the best for last. That goes for on your food plate. You might save the best piece of the food for last, like the fried chicken. I don't know, girl, just save the best for last. So, when it comes to saving the best for last, who do I always include in my best but last? Because the best to me is always the last. It just goes together, last, best last, something like that. Anyway, my first wig. Now here, girl, here's the kicker to this one, okay? Listen tight, open up your ears, boo-boo. Okay, listen to me. Listen, we having a powwow right now, okay? Now, some people might think that my first wig is a little pricey, okay? Or even their sister site, RPG show. But you get what you pay for. It's the quality that matters. It's the love that's put into it. You know what I'm saying? Like, they put their foot into it. Literally, they put love into it, okay? My first wigs, they have a sale zone. This is a whole different site committed to sale. Okay. Now, when you get stuff on sale, that means you save money, moolah, coin, period. Okay. You're going to save some money. Now, the quality of the hair is still exactly the same. Okay. The only thing is it comes in all the wigs come in one standard size. So, girl, if you got one of those big melons, big domes, like you need like a large wig, girl, you're going to have to head over to My First Wig's official website, because the sale zone ain't for you. I mean, you might could find something on there, but I'm just telling you, these are all average size stock wigs. Okay, there's no customization done on that website. And you're not going to see like a huge array of wigs like you would see on the official My First Wig site. However, the lace is still lacing, baby. The melt is still meltable, okay? And the hair is still quality hair. It's that there's certain criteria. There's no customization. You will get the exact length that you order. So if you order 16 inches, that's what you get. You get 60 inches. They're not going to send you 2 or 4 extra inches. Not at the sale zone, okay, baby? Not at the sale zone. You are going to get virgin quality hair. You are going to have quality lace. This is still invisible HD lace, okay? So it's gonna melt, and you're still gonna get a quality wig. So, girl, I got this one right here, which is super duper popular, all right? And this is a 16-inch Yaki. If it's gonna be a bob, I like it to be like either kinky or Yaki texture hair. That way it looks thicker, it doesn't look so thin, it's nice and full. So this one right here is standard average wig cap size. It did come from their sale zone. Go ahead and go check them out. My First Wigs, they got you covered. If it's not your first wig, girl, still give it a chance, save some money, save some coins, and get you one of their sales zone wig. Now, this one right here, like I said, is a Yaki straight bob. It's 16 inches. It's still one of their best wigs. This is a very popular one, actually. It has the lace back here. It has the combs, adjustable straps. It has the combs, and it also has their signature band, which says My First Wig, elastic band, and it has their invisible HD lace. From the looks of the thing, it still is bleached. Yes, baby. So you're still getting quality wigs. This is a 13x6. Now, I'm not sure if I'm going to have to do anything to this, because this is straight out the bag box. But with My First Wigs, you really don't have to do much. Girl, I hope this 16-inch bob is working for your girl, because I got like a little round, long face going on. But we're going to get into this, okay? We're going to slay. We're going to do it like it's our B-day. Then we're going to go about our way, okay?
if I'm okay. I don't see the light of day. Looking up to higher ground, thinking that'll be a sweet escape. These days gotta schedule the romance. They say that love is a slow dance. A short bike ride to the crib using no hands. Oh shit, it feel like I'm floating, but I'm falling with both eyes closed when I let the world spin. Testing the water, she got my nerves tense. Back when I ain't even have a purpose, I was so eager to learn some things. Anxiety bring out the worst in me. Society paint me as enemy. My niggas making it by that remedy. I'm more occasional, don't do it regularly. Backs under my eyes, weighing down heavily. Mama been worried, the devil allegedly deep in the plan. Subconsciously wanted it since I was 10. I thought I was sharp on my scroll and my pen think it did. So mama found shit at them legs. She told me that's not who I am. But nowadays I put on for the fam, see it when I can. I'm surrounded by my feelings, I'm stuck on a Ferris wheel. I bet I perish with 140 acres. She want the horse and the carriage, a porcelain portion of garbage. I talk to the mirror, I know that life's not the fairest. I lost my can, I can't pay off the bills with the blessing. I'm sure I relate to the Reddit page. It's feeling like money is everything. Money is everything. It's everything I need. Till I lay my eyes on you. I don't know what this is, yeah, but it feel like it's real, baby. I don't wanna pretend, no. I just wanna come clear, wanna see you again. I wanna see you again. I wanna see you again. Yeah. Young nigga used to think this was everything I need, right? Not so fond of change, I'm too caught up in my way of thinking. I get by on me, no, I don't need nobody, yes. I was so naive, somehow I'm still all in on me, yeah, yeah.
A what? Pancake, what is that? Oh my God. She made you look like a fool. Look at that. Ooh.
She looks so cute.
She looked pathetic. She looked pathetic.
That's the only reason why I got to laugh.
So you wanted to laugh at her. So you got this to laugh at her.
Yeah.
Wow, she looking at me like, mommy, please. Show that.
I needed a good laugh.
Oh, wow.
Come on, sister.
Oh, God. My poor dog. Oh, my God. Poor Penny. How much you pay for that nonsense? Oh, my God. For a laugh.
I don't know what this is, yeah, but it feel like it's real, baby. I don't wanna pretend, no. I just wanna come clear, wanna see you again. I wanna see you again. I wanna see you.
So y'all, look, okay, did my first wig sale zone come through or what? Now, I know what they said was you will get the exact inches that you pay for. It won't look any longer, but I'm just saying, it just kind of still looks like 18 inches to 20 to me. What you got on? Here come Tinky. He came through. Oh, you got a whole new fit on. Oh, whose bracelets are those?
Mine.
Oh, you getting jiggy with it? Oh, well, you gotta wipe the Kool-Aid stain off your lip, though.
It ain't Kool-Aid.
Well, yeah, if you're about to be jiggy with it, then, you know, you gotta checking yourself out. How you look? You like what you see? I like this. That's came with the pants. You're gonna say hi because you like all in the camera. You might as well say hi because I'm doing a video. Get on now. So, I know, like I said, their sales zone did say when you order 16 inches, that's the 16 inches you're going to get. But I don't know about y'all, but I'm going to just say this wig still look like it's like 18, 20 inches. Because I know 16 inches on other websites is right here. Okay, so I'm just saying these other sites still need to take notes from my first wig and they sales zone and RPG show and they outlet. I'm just saying. This to me is like a doobie. You know, back in the day, back in my time, it was called a doobie, okay? And if y'all know what I'm talking about, holla if you hear me. Doobie, doobie, doobie. But anyway, so this Yaki texture is beautiful. This is what I'm talking about. I love the fact that when you get a wig from my first wig, it don't matter if it's a sales zone or the official site, you are going to get quality hair, okay? They did a really good job with this texture hair. Look at the hairline. So this is the HD invisible lace. This is melted. This is so good. Like, you cannot see it. It is melted in the scalp, baby. Tell me where you see it at. Just tell me. You cannot see a thing. The hairline is great. The cap fits amazing. You know what I'm saying? I like the way the cap fits. It fits really good. I'm glad that they have their elastic band in it. Thank me later, boo. Thank me later. I will leave all the information down below. I love you all. Stay Ziva and Zivalicious. Make sure you rate, comment, subscribe. Thumbs the video up, girl, and share it. And I'll see y'all around.